Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix apps crashing in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, update your apps. After update your apps, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.